I'm Kim, and I'm with the Auto Builder. I'm here with my friend James at the Exedy booth, and he's going to show us a new product out for the Subaru BRZ.
Thanks, Kim. Basically what we have here is a stage 1 and a stage 2 for our current 22 and up BRZ fitment. The stage 1, as you can see, comes with an organic style disc. It's actually not a standard OE organic style disc, it's an upgraded version of it, so it holds a little bit more power than your standard OE setup. The stage 2 comes with a cerometallic disc. It's kind of shaped like a Delta. Some people refer to it as a 3-puck. In actuality though, it's just a standard cerometallic. Both these kits use the same cover. The difference is going to be the disc. With engagement on the stage 1, it's going to be similar to a stock engagement. So in other words, when you come up off of the clutch and it grabs, it's going to feel like an OE setup, but again, it's not, it's upgraded, so it's going to hold a little bit more power. With the stage 2, it's going to be cerometallic, so your engagement's going to be a little bit grabbier than, let's say, a stage 1 or an organic style. Very drivable, but again, this one holds a lot more power than that one. Both of these are available now. They're in stock. Torque rating wise to the wheel, the stage 2 holds about 383. The stage 1, I think, is ranked around 273. So roughly, you've got a little bit of play there as far as torque holding capacity to the wheels.
Nice. So where can we find this product?
You can log onto our website at www.exedyusa.com, and you can either punch in the part number to get the specifications on it, or you can just type in the make, model, year of your car, and then it will give you those options.
Thank you, James.
Thank you.
For more stories like this, visit theautobuilder.com.